I didn't think I had enough room. Whoa, dropped it. I didn't think I had enough room to, anyways. And so I forgot to put this damn thing on and just got focused on making this bell, this double flare. See, it's pretty good quality. This is what I made with this OEM tool. Anyways, that's what the flares look like. And that's this right here. This is from OEM. Name's on here somewhere. There it is. OEM. And it's not a bad tool. In fact, it's great. I like it. I'm happy I bought it. It's just really frustrating that I was working on this strange step to go outside the fender and connect, or outside the frame. There was a frame run in another video, and I forgot to put the goddamn connection on. Well, I'll clean this, and I guess if I can just nip off that end, saw off that end, I might be able to do this all over again. So we'll see. Wish me luck.